We only have a small window of time in the mornings to get the golf course ready for play. I need to watch the weather and keep all our maintenance work going.
I work 50 hours a week in the city. When the weekend comes, I'm ready to spend time with my family on our 10 acres in the country.
I'm constantly checking the health of my almond trees. Missing just one row when I'm spraying can ruin my crop.
I take my tractor to several remote fields and till the dirt for the landowners. I need to keep close watch on how much fuel I use because it's one of my biggest expenses.
I need to keep the team running so we can get to the crop when it's ready to be cut. So I'm always tracking the machinery and anticipating any bottlenecks.
My top priority is my herd. The quality and consistency of their feed has a big impact on their productivity and well-being.
Deere's electric mowers with quiet operation let us mow earlier, increasing that small window we have to prepare the course. The autonomous fairway mowers, are critical because they can run while my limited staff concentrates on the detail work. The Pro Gator GPS sprayers provide labor and chemical savings, and they track all our spray events. That reduces my crew's documentation time. And our connected machines give us another way to work as efficiently as possible to stay ahead of play. Whether I'm at my desk, on my phone, or my smart pad, I am connected to my crew, the equipment, and the course, and easily able to manage the day-to-day changes.
When I'm away from work, I want to enjoy our land. We have a few head of cattle and horses, and I don't want anything to get in the way of taking care of them. If an oil filter or belt needs changing, I can quickly order the parts on my phone, and servicing gets done first thing Saturday morning. That way I can focus on the farm and spending quality time with my family.
Monitoring the health of my almond trees is critical. I'm always watching for any changes in foliage, my irrigation status, and the nut set and growth. I can't let pests and weeds move in. But I don't need to worry about that as much anymore, since I can track our spraying and irrigation levels. That helps me keep costs down and reduces our impact on the land, so I can maximize our natural resources. Our buyers expect us to actively monitor our environmental impact, and it's required by government regulators. It's easy to do now.
Documenting where I worked, what I did, and when I was at the field simplifies my billing work. I can easily send an invoice directly to the landowner right away. If my tractor does break down, I can reach out to my John Deere dealer, and with remote diagnostics, he may be spared from sending out a technician to drive several hours for the repair. Depending on the problem, the technician may be able to fix the issue by forcing a software update to my tractor remotely.
We recently synced the machines to recognize each other. As soon as the tractor enters the field, we match speeds to automatically load the wagons on the go. I'm able to hire less skilled operators and save on fuel cost, reducing my harvesting cost per hectare. I'm not just managing logistics, but also monitoring the cut settings on the forage harvesters. Having accurate data in one place increases my team's efficiency and gives me an advantage when I quote a job. I provide distinctive services, and customers are willing to pay a higher price per hectare.
I optimize what I feed to each distinct group of cows every day, which lets me maximize milk production and reduce feeding cost. The sensors on each cow document cow health, how much they ate, and their milk production. Herd health and individual cow data is accessed by my nutritionist on my smart device. Her proposal on ration improvements comes in on my phone, and I integrate those onto my tractor display for the next feeding. The field map my contractor developed last harvest provides the technology for my slurry tanker to precisely place the manure needed across the field. There are hundreds of decisions I make every day, but seeing all my data in one spot makes it easier.
This is how I connect to my machines.
This is how I connect to my course.
This is how I connect to my land.
And this is how I connect to my herd.
This is how I connect to my customers.
This is how I connect to my family.